Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account settings. And in this video, I will show you how to change your date of birth in your Google account. Let me show you how. But the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Have you open up your phone settings? Go ahead and scroll down right here. Okay, scroll down until you get to Google right here. So go ahead and click on Google. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your Google account. So to Google account. Go ahead and click on personal info. And here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Click on birthday. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And here you go. You can easily change the month, day, and the year. Once you're done, go ahead and hit on save, and you have successfully updated or changed your Google account date of birth. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Google settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.